for blue. Alright. Okay, so are you guys ready for the basketball game?
Yes!
From Mabuhay Mga Energy. Are you guys ready?
Yes!
Alright, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Come on guys, let's cheer for them. Here comes both birds on the table.
Go, blue!
First ball for Azul. First ball for blue. Second ball for Azul. Second ball for blue. And for the last ball,
Yeah!
that's right, Azul. So I guess Azul deserves another race. Now let's do our ring race. So the mechanics of this game is the first bird who can drop all 3 rings into the pole, the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race. Okay, so are you guys ready for the second round?
Yes!
Oy, wala yung mga tingog. Are you guys ready for the second round?
Yes!
Alright, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Come on guys, let's cheer for Azul. Here comes Azul leading the way.
Blue!
Picks up 3 rings at the same time. How clever was that? And the winner is blue. Okay, maragwa sa mood si Blue na. Alright, let's give a round of applause for Blue, Bear, Twinkle, Macaw, Blue, and Azul. Now up next, we're going to show you Blue's amazing flying ability. So everyone, please remain seated. Ready your cameras as Blue will fly above your head.
Ano ko? Ano ko? Ano ko? Ano ko na eh?
And once again, Blue and Azul are both blue and gold macaws. They're a member of the large parrot family. They can grow up to 80 centimeters in length and can live up to 70 years old. Now their scientific name is Ara Arabao.
Yeah! Tara na! Yeah!
Now guys, did you know that parrots are monogamous, meaning they only have one partner their entire lifetime? And also, they're very social animals. They love to be with their partners, fly together in flocks, or here in captivity, get imprinted with their trainers. Alright, let's give a round of applause for our flying macaw, Blue. Now up next, I'll be needing an adult volunteer with a 20 peso bill. Again, I need an adult volunteer with a 20 peso bill. Just raise your hand. Yes, sir.